Hi everyone! The day is finally here. Can you guys guess what this is? I'm so excited to open this package. This is a year in the making, the first time gardener, raised bed gardening, my very first look at my second book. And I wanted to share it with you guys because we've been together here on YouTube for 10 years and you were a part of this process. Camera guy did a lot of the pictures, our daughter Julianne did the pictures, our son and his girlfriend even helped us with the photo shoots as well. It was a family project. I can't wait to see it. So let's get to it. I have not opened this yet. This is my very first look at the final copy. Here we go, guys. Woohoo! This is an exciting day. Pulling it out for the very first time. Wow. Look at that cover. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. The colors are gorgeous.
That's gorgeous.
Okay, here we go. First look. There's nothing like holding your book in print for the very first time. The first time gardener, raised bed gardening, all the know-how you need to build and grow a raised bed garden. CaliKim of YouTube's CaliKim Garden and Home DIY. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And you know what? Jerry hasn't even read this yet. This is the dedication to my family, to my incredibly and endlessly supportive family. Jerry, Julianne, Drew, and our faithful garden dog, Mac. You're my cheerleaders, my why, my heart, and my inspiration. Did not mean to get choked up on that, but this is so cool. And the thing I love about this book is not only that our family worked on it together, but that it has so many pictures of our garden and it really represents a lot of what we love to do and share with you all. So let's take a quick flip through it. Oh my gosh.
Nice, I did not know that was coming.
You're welcome, honey. You're a big part of this book. Every page on it has memories. The colors are beautiful.
Slow down there a little bit.
Sorry, it's got all kinds of plans for how big to build your raised beds. What materials should I line my pathways with? Building your raised beds.
Cool.
That's a cool picture. Look at that, Jerry. And even Mac made it in here. DIY
cool.
plans for making your dream of building raised beds a reality with step-by-step, clear, easy to read instructions that are going to take you from start to finish of building and growing in raised beds. It even has pop-up fabric raised beds, some smart pots in there. Whether to build or buy your raised beds, here's the plans.
Oh, I remember that day.
Oh yeah.
It was really hot out that day.
It was so hot.
We had sun challenges on that day.
We had a ton of challenges. One thing I love too is the fully illustrated raised bed designs and the fully photographed raised bed designs. It's got 3 or 4 of them in here, as well as how to fill your bed with soil in an inexpensive way. Tons of quick, simple, inexpensive tips. Filling your raised beds. Trellising. I love the trellising section. Planting and growing in your raised beds so you know exactly how to maintain them and nurture them and tend to them. And lots of DIY, quick, simple, inexpensive tips. This is so much fun, you guys. I cannot wait. Oh, and one section I forgot. Layouts and planting plans for your raised beds so you know exactly what vegetables to plant. Beginner-friendly vegetables and over 10 garden layouts so you know exactly how to grow in your raised beds. So guys, I am so excited to share this with you. This is now available for pre-order. Super exciting. It's going to be released on March 8th, 2022, which is just over a month away, but you can pre-order it now over at CaliKimGardenandHome.com. So please go over and do that. It really helps me out. And when you do, as my way of saying thanks, I'm offering you 2 free bonuses. The first one is a $10 off coupon code to CaliKimGardenandHome.com, which includes all 30 of my CaliKim seed collections. I just launched 6 new ones this week, as well as CaliKim Smart Pots and my first book, Organic Gardening for Everyone. So you get that, that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is a sneak peek excerpt of the DIY Simple Wood Raised Bed Plan. It's right from this book. Walks you through step by step how to build that so you can get to growing in raised beds even before my first book or my second book comes in the mail to you. So head over to CaliKimGardenandHome.com right now, pre-order to get those bonuses. The bonus offer ends on January 31st. My book will be coming out soon and I cannot wait to get it in your hands. So comment below if you've already pre-ordered. Let me know what you're excited to grow in raised beds with me this spring. This is your plan for growing lots more vegetables. Can't wait. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.